G'day folks, well here we are with the first commuter special, the 6 o'clock DMU coming into Little Bardfield. Of course this is now the end of the line, so this is a terminating service which will return to Great Chesterford very shortly. Now just a quick squiz of where we are. This is the end of the line, the curved point that Gary kindly donated, and then we move back in. You can see the passing loop is now in place, although I've got to put a couple of sleepers in yet. And then down along the line, the passing loop branches off into sidings and also reconnects with the main line. The sidings are down there, and then there's this bit of an S-bend back to the mouse hole. So there you go. Cheers, Gormo.